What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing the side grills from Assault Industries. These cover your intake grates on the rear of the RZR. So these are for the Pro R. Okay, so what these consist of is you have your side grills, your rear mesh, and your front mesh. So it's gonna cover all three of those locations and just give an all around better look to the machine. Also, those are just pretty much frog skins from the factory. So once you have these on, they'll definitely be a lot more sturdy and help keep the sticks and branches from puncturing those. Just a little added protection. So cool kit, super easy to put on. Should only take probably 20 minutes to do all of them. And they're gonna really look clean and give the machine a nice look. Dress it up a little bit and add some functionality as well by giving you some protection. So I'll get these all done here, and then we'll go over to the machine and show you how they install. Now, when you do unwrap these, make sure you do cut out the hardware. They are attached and taped to the bags. So that's pretty much what's in the kit. These obviously will go, let's see here. These are gonna go just like that, overlay on each other, and fill in the grill. So they're gonna wind up looking real sharp on there. So we'll go over to the machine now and I'll get these installed. But before we get into that, if you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video, it really helps us out on YouTube, as well as keeps you up to date with any of the giveaways we do every month and any of the videos that we come out with. So let's go over to the machine now and we'll get these things installed. Okay, so what you want to do first is remove the two push pins. You have one here and one up here. That's going to be how you remove the inside deflector bezel. If you don't have a push pin tool like this, you can use the one that comes in the stock toolkit. Okay, so now you just remove this piece and this will not be reinstalled. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take these two pieces, get them lined up, place them right in here, get them nice and centered where you're happy with the way they look. Then you take your drill, drill yourself some pilot holes, and you'll be able to come right behind it and get your first one in. Okay, now once that one's in, you'll be able to go drill the bottom two pilot holes and install the rest of the screws. Okay, so once those are in, you're going to go ahead and repeat the same process for the inside. Before you move to the inside, I like to just take a handheld screwdriver. Just give these a half a turn. You don't want them to strip, but you do want them to be in there nice and tight. And that's it. So now we'll move to the inside and do the same thing. Okay, so now we're on the interior side of the vehicle. And again, you're gonna take your plates, get them centered in there. And you're just going to go ahead and do your first pilot hole. So once you got the first one in, you can go ahead and drill the rest of the pilot holes. That's all you have to do. Now you're just going to install the rest of the screws and repeat it for the rear one and the other side as well. Okay, now we're going to go down here and do the same thing. Okay, so once you have 2 or 3 of these in, you go ahead and drill the rest of your holes. I usually put 2 or 3 of these fully in just so that the rest of this stuff will be all lined up perfect when you go to screw it in. That's it. So that's once they're all installed. Like I said, just give all these a half a turn. You don't want to strip them out, so just go nice and easy. They're into plastic, so they will thread themselves in, and they're sturdy. I've never had one fall off in all the machines we put these on. So that's how you install the Insult Industries intake inside and outside guards. They're a real nice grill. Definitely gives the machine a little more character. And that's it. Just repeat for the other side and you'll be all done. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Like I said, very simple process. Without a doubt, drill your pilot holes. That's the only way to do it the proper way. Just get your smallest drill bit. That's all you need, just something to get that screw started. And then I did use a battery operated ratchet on the outside one, but on the inside one I used a hand, just a regular screwdriver, and that actually seemed to work better. So I would suggest just doing them all by hand, and you'll get them lined up nice and easy, and you won't have any stripping, and you won't strip out the bolts on the top or inside the plastic. So that's what I'd suggest doing. Big shout out to Assault for hooking us up with the grills for our Pro R and letting us do the video for them. And we appreciate all you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, get in on all those monthly free giveaways. We do one every single month, and there's nothing you have to do to enter. Just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click the link in the description on the giveaway videos, and you're in it to win it. So good to go. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.